fried breadfruit there. Can get some liver with it, some rundown, some ackee and saltfish, okra and saltfish. It's your choice, you know. We prepare all the good stuff for you guys, okay?
Yeah, you know our food is fresh.
Yes, cook every day.
Every day and cook with lots of love.
Guys, wagwan. Welcome back to Kelvin and Friends Cook Up. Today we're in Toronto. Yeah man, we come to check out one of the restaurants. When me here say I have a buzz in the street. We talk about Spotlight Caribbean Kitchen. Right now I'm gonna take you guys inside the kitchen and show you some of those nice breakfasts where they're cooking up on their lunch. Alright guys, so just follow me. Let's go in the kitchen and see what they're cooking up. Alright. So right now we're here with
Janet.
she's the party owner, also the chef. Yeah man. And you know see them in the kitchen from morning and cook up some goodness, some greatness. You see I prepare some breakfast, right?
Yes, your breakfast.
See? Yes guys, so see? Make sure so she get the place well clean, you know?
Yeah.
This is the liver right here.
Yes.
Okay.
It's cooking right now.
Mm-hmm.
This is the kidney cooking right now.
Gosh, look at that guys.
Kidney cooking right now.
So he's down on his final right now.
Yeah, nice glossy, and this is American porridge.
See that guys?
Yes. American.
Mm-hmm.
This is your peas.
Red
Just
peas.
Put, yeah, just put it on.
Yes.
Yeah, so now we can lift it up for you. Just put it on. We don't use teaspoon.
And I used it as a boil from the
Start, yes.
scratch.
Yes,
Look at that
just
guys.
put on. Just put it on. So it's cooking. Yeah, so a dumpling.
So this is what for your boiled
Boil, yeah, cooked food provision. Banana.
That's a green banana right here.
Yes. Banana different.
Yeah. So you don't put the banana in the same pot with the dumpling?
No.
Okay.
Because this is one skin.
Oh.
So this is a real Jamaican.
Banana?
Yeah.
See that guys?
One from upstairs.
Straight from real Jamaican banana.
Yeah, straight from here.
Straight from yard. And right here, so she have her dumpling.
Yeah.
I'm gonna boil.
Make them like cartwheel, you know?
Yeah, make them like cartwheel.
Yeah. One going up plate. Cut up. We cut them up though.
So when you serve it, you only serve one dumpling?
No, depends how the container can take.
Okay.
Some people request like two.
Two dumpling.
Yeah, but them big still.
Alright, chef. So chef, where you put here for now? Where you make now?
Some callaloo we have to do.
Some callaloo.
Authentic callaloo, you know?
Authentic.
Yes, sir.
Alright, so what you just add into the oil right there?
Tomato.
Tomato?
Yeah. Some little bit of pepper also. Make the tomato marinate out a bit, you know, to get the flavor out of it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
And this is a real Jamaican yellow yam. Sweet potato. Irish. Yes, you have to cut them black and warning. You know, outside cook and inside no cook, so
To cut them.
yeah. So put it here.
Okay.
When you put it in a pot and stir it, so you know why you can't let it burn.
Oh. So as soon as you put it in, you stir it because the pot bottom will burn.
The dumpling now will stick at the bottom.
Okay.
So you just put it in the thing and stir it.
You can cut up some onion, some sweet pepper, and some thyme also. You know?
Okay, some onion, some sweet pepper and thyme.
Yes, right.
Oh, so that gives the pot a good flavor.
Keep it airy, you know?
Yes.
No powder season.
No powder season?
No powder season.
What you say?
Callaloo,
Straight natural.
Natural.
So man, look at that guys. Look at that. So you see right there, so you have his tomato, his scallion, thyme, onion, cut up there, just go and saute down in the oil. Yeah man.
moment we had the color also, you know?
What is that, chef?
The moment we had the color also, you know?
Yes.
Yes, right.
Yes.
I have some coconut milk on the fire, also with some rundown, you know?
Oh, okay.
And some ginger spices, some pepper in it.
Hold on, what you just add to that?
Some ginger spices, some pepper, some ginger and pepper, cayenne pepper.
Yes.
Yeah, man, some ginger.
Alright.
So we add the color going now.
Yes.
Yeah, man, let's cover them up and let everything steam now.
Yes.
Steam up on early with the butter, make up more time.
Yes.
Just steaming, you know? Steamy, you know?
Yeah. So in the morning, you can come and get your callaloo.
Your ackee and saltfish, your okra and saltfish.
Yes.
Yeah, we run down also, you know, man.
Yeah, the rundown.
You know my style?
Yes. Jamaican
Bring your
style.
home, you know?
Yeah. Look at that, guys. Look at that.
Fresh, just come off of the fire.
Just come off of the fire. And that's why your kidney right here.
Yeah, this is kidney.
Right now we're there with Chef who?
Kino.
Chef Kino.
Yes, man. Representing the spotlight, you know?
Alright. Yes, guys. So, you know, so Kino got show where I cook up in the kitchen. So, yeah, get ready for now.
Ackee and starfish.
I have to make sure my counter always clean, you know?
Yes.
Yeah, because clean, the food have to clean.
Yes.
Yeah, it has got your stomach, so it has to clean. So we always wipe down and thing, and we have soap water.
Yes.
We look up bleach, and we throw it in it, you know?
Yes. Yes, Chef. The banana ready?
Yeah, man. We'll check the procedure and so on. Yes, sorry. Banana ready and all.
Ready. So, is there a reason why you boil it with the skin on though?
Yeah,
Now, sometimes some people boil it without the skin.
Well, those are the people that really don't know the purpose of the skin. You know the purpose of the skin? The skin have a lot of iron in it. You get more iron when you boil it with the skin. You see all the water, you can drink it, you know, it's a substance. We Jamaican back home feed and boil banana water, you know.
Yes.
Yeah,
We call
get a lot
it.
of iron from it.
Yes. We call what?
Rich.
Pot water?
Alright, you know what it is?
Pot water.
And you get your iron from it at the same time too.
You get your iron from it, same, yes.
Yeah, man, check the procedure, because that's how far it is at the moment, you know? And
Yes.
go by, you know?
So, I'm realize you say you don't add no powder season.
No, man, when you cook callaloo, man, Jamaican style, we don't add powder season. The furthest we go have a touch of butter, we get a little bit. You understand?
Just a touch of butter.
No powder season. Pepper with thyme, man. That's it.
Look at that, guys. Yes. Man. And the aroma will come on for that too, you know. You know, you can smell it, all the vegetables and then it add on it, the natural.
Yeah.
Say there's a touch of butter.
A little touch of butter. Making steam. Wonderful.
Yes.
Prepare the ackee now.
Yes.
So I like to say we have fry up some tomatoes, we keep going, you know? Alright, well that, you know?
Well hot.
Well hot, you know?
So right now they're making their ackee and saltfish. Putting all the vegetables.
Hot pepper, you know?
Some hot pepper. Wow. Hot pepper.
It's a fried dumpling.
This is for the fried dumpling. See, she kneading the flour right here. So guys, look at that. The flour have to have a lot of muscle to knead them dumpling, you know, man.
I know.
You got to stir it.
Yes. Add some salted.
And season, right?
Look at that, guys. Look at that. So that's when the starfish just go on, put down with the vegetables, the seasoning, yeah. Yes guys, as you can see, you get the breakfast special in the morning right here at Spotlight Caribbean Kitchen. Yes, Spotlight Caribbean Kitchen. You bring it go a yard when you get, you remember when you used to get them good breakfast in the morning? Right now we'll give it to you. Oh, you flatten out the dumpling?
Yeah, kind of a blow.
Okay. So like with these now, how long they usually cook for?
For next 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Yeah, about that or less. All depends.
Okay.
So you want them soak properly.
You want to soak properly?
Yeah. So
Yes.
you know, the fire here, high, low, till you get it.
Yes. Is there a reason why you put the flour like over the dough or it's soft, so you just put some flour out?
Yeah, for wallet.
Okay.
Yeah, it's soft. Because you don't want to make it too tight. Because you make it too tight, the dumpling and now come up. See them start look already?
Yes.
Yeah, so the dough is soft. So you have to use the raw flour to roll it.
Hold it.
Yeah, so it start come up on top.
Yes.
You understand? Make different from the boiled dumpling.
Yes. Why chef Aki and saltfish, come on man.
Looks good.
Look real good. Yeah man, you add some of your secret spice to it, you know? Give that touch, right?
Yeah.
Yeah
Final,
man.
you know?
Yes.
The food flavor, man.
Yes, we have flavor in it, yes. And the-
Authentic flavor.
yes. See guys, 10 minutes and it's ready. See, start floating up on the top already. Yeah man. Well, it's ready to serve.
Yes, man, ready to serve.
Look at that guys, look at the smoke fresh just coming out the fire. Yes. Yeah. Look at that guys. Nice. You can see all the steam coming out for that. See? Aki ready. Kalaloo ready.
Dumpling coming out good.
Look there guys.
They want to soak more.
You want to soak more?
Yeah.
Yes.
So you come out in a soak.
Yes. So you just
come out clean with soak.
oh, so you joke it with the fork.
Yes.
Look at that guys. What is a chef? How long you been cooking for professionally?
About 4 years now, to be honest.
4 years.
Sorry. We have put long time still now, because mommy now let me out of the kitchen when she do for everything, you know?
Alright. Yes.
I look for some okra and saltfish.
Okra and saltfish.
My dumpling them ready.
So them ready now. Look at that guys.
So them pretty.
Yeah man.
You see me put them flat.
Yeah.
You see them come out.
This swirl come up big. See there guys?
Yeah, fluffy and nice.
Fluffy and nice. So like when I serve this, you serve like 2 or 3 or 1?
Yeah.
Yeah. It all depends on how much they want.
Yeah, how much they want.
Nice. So, Miss Janet, how long have you been cooking for now?
Over 20 years
Over 20 years. Is she from Jamaica days?
from Jamaica. We have restaurant and bar.
You have restaurant? Yes. Ah. See that?
Equal party.
Yeah. Which part of Jamaica?
St. Catherine, Spanish Town.
Spanish Town. See there, guys. Man, what inspired you to go in the kitchen and start cooking?
You know, I taste a lot of food on the road and I said, you know what, I know I can do better. So I started cooking and started supply the guys on the racetrack and they encouraged me to open a restaurant and from there I started.
Okay.
I started. I used to cook in my basement when I
Okay.
came to Canada
Oh.
and supply racetrack And they encouraged me to open a restaurant. So from there is history.
Okay. That's the reason why the restaurant is so close to the racetrack.
Yes.
Ah, now we get it, because guys, this restaurant is literally right across from the racetrack.
Yeah.
You know?
They are the one who encouraged me to open a restaurant. And I do, because I used to do it in my basement. So they're the one.
Okay.
So, and from there, I started.
Yeah. Where I put now, sir?
Run
Rundown.
Start
Start rundown. So right now we just add it. You guys add some tomato in the aisle. Yeah, man.
Now we've got the okra and the stir sausage.
Oh, so you just add the okra now? Yeah. Stir sausage, look at that now. Yeah. Wow. Yes. And people love this when they come here. They get the breakfast. Yeah.
The sour.
So, right now, what you say you added?
The coconut milk.
Okay.
Cold. Rondon beside custard on top.
Okay.
Custard, wherever you put custard, you use real coconut.
The real coconut.
Yeah, you put the custard.
Yes.
You sweat set mackerel in there, or you mix it with salt. Yes.
Look at that, guys.
Yeah.
Oh, gosh.
So we'll make it boil now and simmer down. Fry saltfish.
Yeah.
Yeah, we soak it from overnight.
Yeah.
So the salt come out of it.
Oh. So, like when you have too much salt, what you say you soak it with?
We just put a little bit of lemon and vinegar, soak it.
And soak it.
Yeah, man.
Okay. Yeah, some salt it. Yeah. That ready, sir?
Make sure it's fresh properly, you can't have salt because it's cooking the broth.
Exactly. Yeah. Looking at that. So what sausage normally, where you normally serve this with?
You can serve with some fried breadfruit also, you know, some fried dumpling, you know.
Yeah.
You have some boiled fried dumpling. You have a lot of stuff.
Okay.
You make any festival?
Yeah, man.
We have festival on the line also.
Yeah.
We have bread also, you know.
You get bread, you can eat it with what? So what you say, some breadfruit? Ah. So wait, what you say? Yeah, you can serve it with bread, you don't have bread too?
Hardwood bread we have.
Hardwood bread. Oh gosh, guys, look at that. So you can get a sausage and a bread, you can get a sausage and fried dumpling. You can come and spotlight Caribbean kitchen and get your greatness. What you say, chef?
Yes, man, don't forget it, man. Spotlight where everything tastes right. Don't forget. Alright?
Alright.
Fried dumpling ready.
Ready. See, and these fried dumpling can serve with. Also, they can serve with.
Liver, kidney, ackee and saltfish, callaloo, okra and saltfish, fried saltfish, you name it.
Okay. So you make it now?
Festival.
Okay.
Really.
Why your festival them look so big, man?
I know.
Oh, man, your festival them big, man. So normally what time you open for breakfast?
8:30.
8:30.
Yes.
Okay.
And you, on Saturday, you
Yeah.
do more.
Okay.
So like rundown, fried saltfish, festival. On Saturday we do more. During the week we do, you know.
But
we do,
it-
but on Saturday we do with all out.
Okay.
Yeah, on Saturday we all out with everything.
Okay. So
Kidney,
yes.
liver,
Yes.
okra and saltfish, ackee and saltfish, callaloo. And Saturday you can get all of these things, fried saltfish.
And you run down.
And your salt mackerel rundown. Because if you do some of it in the week, like the rundown, people not go that fast, you know?
Yes.
But on weekend we do salt mackerel rundown and more.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what about the porridge? So you have porridge?
Dominican porridge. Every day we do a different porridge.
Every day you guys do a different porridge?
Yeah.
So on Saturday you know do how many? Corn porridge?
Every Saturday we do hominy.
Friday with the peanut.
On Friday we do peanut.
Oh, Friday not do peanut porridge?
Yes.
Oh gosh guys, look at that.
Tuesday we do carrot porridge.
Hold on, what you say? Carrot porridge?
Yes man, it tastes good.
Me never tried that before, no
No
chef.
man, it's bad.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Never tried carrot porridge
I
before.
want to make it and send it to you.
Alright. Man? Carrot porridge guys. If you guys ever try carrot porridge, more want to comment down below.
Trust me.
And let me know if you ever try carrot porridge, or when you come down here at Spotlight Caribbean Kitchen and try carrot porridge.
Every Tuesday.
Every Tuesday.
Every Tuesday.
Hear that guys? One. Oh gosh, look at the festival guys. Look at that. Nice.
Yeah, rundown is ready, so I will serve it now with some fried dumpling. You prefer still.
Yes.
We have some green banana, fresh green banana also.
Yes, look at that. Yes. When last you guys ever tried?
Some rundown.
Rundown.
With some yam, some yellow yam and some green banana.
Oh gosh.
Spotlight, you need to visit Spotlight, I've been telling you,
Mackerel rundown. Look at that guys, ready to go.
Ready to serve.
Yes.
Golden brown,
Yes. The festival. Look at that guys. Yeah. Alright.
You can prepare some fried breadfruit now.
Yeah.
You can enjoy the morning.
So then get the fried breadfruit.
Yeah, mama.
So you can get some mackerel rundown with some fried breadfruit. Yes guys, look at that.
Properly fried.
Right. Properly, look at that guys. So fried breadfruit ready now. Ready to serve.
Ready. We have a rundown outside.
Yes.
Your choice, the rocky and saltfish, some fresh color over there. Some okra and saltfish.
Yes.
Your choice.
Yeah man. Look there guys. Look at
So pretty and nice.
yeah. So right here, so you have your pickle. So you pickle your saltfish.
Yeah. So marinate in there.
So it's a saltfish ready to serve.
Ready to serve. Fried saltfish with a pickle, marinate everything.
Nice. As you can see, right now, we're in the kitchen. Yeah man, and right now it's just early in the morning and I'm prepare them breakfast. As you see all of them greatness where them cooking up there. You see the mackerel rundown. You see how them are roast the breadfruit. You see them are do where you say ackee and saltfish. And what you have chef? Okra and saltfish. Liver and kidney porridge. Then you see them do the festival, them do the fried dumpling. Guys, where can you go so early in the morning and get all of them greatness here? So yeah man, Spotlight Kitchen over there, Yeah man, you have to come here and check out them breakfast. Yeah man, also then lunch too. It's a must.
Yeah.
Alright.
Seeking quality?
Yes.
Place to be, okay?
Spotlight Kitchen.
Where everything tastes like.
That is right.
Ready man, serving right now. What time it is? We're open now so you can come along,
Yeah.
Fried breadfruit, You can get some liver with it, some rundown, some ackee and saltfish, okra and saltfish. It's your choice, We're preparing all the good stuff for you guys, okay? I'm out.
So right here, so you're just serving out all of the food?
Yeah, to bring on the front.
Okay.
You have a big one?
Yeah, your dumpling on your Irish and potato. Look at it, guys. Look at that, guys.
It's like how we just done do the breakfast.
Yes.
Yeah, we'll try go over now to the lunch now.
Oh, switching over to lunch.
Yeah, we'll switch over to the lunch now. Get everything set. Yeah, I get prepared now. Put in the coconut milk, season.
And this is your peas that you have.
When we start and it don't cook now.
Yes.
So I transfer it into a bigger pot.
Okay.
I go wash my rice, and put it in, and then more look more spicy night. So I put some scallion on
Gotta add some jerk sauce.
And you make your own jerk sauce?
Yeah, I'm gonna buy jerk sauce.
Oh gosh, look at that, guys. Yeah, man. Say make from scratch.
Yeah,
you know, making a jerk sauce from scratch. Wait, you know, look here, guys. A bucket. Oh gosh. And the scent will come off of that, the spices and then, oh gosh. Yeah. Jerk chicken. Really hard style. What do you have here cooking now?
Tripe and bean.
Okay.
Beef tripe.
Beef tripe.
Yes, people like it. Some people order from me, so we do it.
Okay.
Almost like we do on Friday, but today we have some people order it, so we just put it and make it go and cook down, and then I'll spice it up when we finish.
Okay.
So that one, I'll make sure it's a little
Cook every day. Yes.
make it go and cook.
Yes, guys. See? So you tripe and beef, and it's beef.
You pre-season until you're ready now, then you final touch it.
Okay.
Right?
So you add some curry and some thyme and
Yeah.
season. Look at that, guys. To add some heat to it. So when you eat the curry chicken, you have to have some heat on it, you know? So what that you have here, you know? Pimento?
Crushed pimento.
Crushed pimento. Guys. Time now, eh? Yeah. Yeah. Big the aisle to it. Yeah. So what you have here, so now?
And you put pumpkin in it, you know, don't forget to put more flavor.
You notice you blend up your pumpkin then?
Yeah, the blend of
Yeah. Yeah.
Go up here and be different.
Curry chicken, eh?
Yeah.
Where's the chef? I burn some of my curry.
Better for curry.
What you say?
Yeah, man. Better for curry.
The better for curry. Can't be no other curry.
No, better for.
For that guys. Yeah. Here. For that guys. So this is the curry chicken. Say curry chicken pot this, chef.
Yes, sir.
And then right here, so I'm gonna get ready for brown stew. What you have here? So some Irish potato.
Irish fried onion, I see it.
Yes.
You get ketchup on it.
Yeah. See there, guys. You get it. This is for him brown stew, so him just add some Irish on it. Yeah, make it go on tenderize down into the seasoning. Add some carrot. Oh gosh. Yeah. Cause you know your brown stew, you have to have your Irish and you have to have your carrot.
I bet you never see this one before. Bring it right home back.
Bring it right at yard, eh? Yes, guys, look at that.
Don't forget the flag, you know. Black bowl and what?
Great.
Right.
So right now we're gonna add the rest of
Vegetables to
vegetables
for
to
the
the
soup.
Okay. See that, guys? Goated soup. See, I make some more dumplings.
This soup.
This soup. Yeah.
You can tell it from the beginning when I reach far.
And I reach far. Yeah. Look at that, guys. Yeah. Every day I cook curry chicken.
Every single day.
Man. See that, guys? Look at that. So there, I cut up some seasoning now. Look at that. Yeah, man. See, just adding some onion and some thyme and some pimento right now. So go and season up the pot while we're going, you know, while they're cooking. Where add here so now, chef?
Irish.
Okay, add some Irish potato and some carrots. Yeah. That's it. Go and season up the pot. Yes, I know, so with the curry chicken you have to have the Irish and the carrot. Yeah. So go and season it up, you know? All the way. So yeah, so chef, you wash the rice and ready for your rice cooking. Yeah.
Insert it in our peas now.
Okay. See it there, guys. So then wash your rice. Peas ready now, so yeah. You get the rice and peas ready, you know? Yes. Like that. A big pot, you know, guys. Big pot of rice and peas. Yeah, man. See it there. So you stir up all of that into the rice now.
And make it go and simmer.
Yes.
Yeah. So some flavor still there.
Ready.
Nice there, yeah.
It's flavor nice. Still there.
Still there. So you cover it now. You watch your fire. You don't want it too high, too low.
You don't want to burn it, right?
No.
Okay.
You check on it now every minute, you know?
Yes.
So leaving the pan in one.
Yeah, get ready for the stew chicken. Yes. See that, guys?
Spice up the manish water and put some thyme in it.
Ah,
Yeah.
yeah, man.
Put some skin and put up season.
Yes.
Yeah. You put your pimento leaf in our soup, you know?
You say you put some pimento leaf in the soup.
Yeah, man, you put some pimento leaf in there.
Let the people them see what a pimento leaf look like.
See, yeah. Put it in the man, put it in our thing.
And pimento leaf coming from
Jamaica.
From Jamaica.
Yes. Light, you know?
So you have to put a little spice in it.
Yeah, put some other spice.
Yes. See there, guys.
Stir it up.
It's the manish water, which is a goated soup, you know?
Yeah, no, put it in the
Alright, so we have here now.
green banana and manish water.
Oh.
Yam, dumpling and other vegetable in there and green banana.
Okay. Got that, guys. And you don't peel off the skin, you just...
No, we just barely scrape off some of it.
Okay.
Yes. So it's soup rich.
Yes.
Yeah. You scrape off, you wash it properly.
Yes.
Put it in.
Okay.
You have to wash it properly.
Yes, yes. Got that, guys. Okay, so you add here now your tripe.
Yeah. Try on the water.
Okay. Yes, chef.
This morning.
Morning. Yeah, mix up the rice, make sure so the season and
All
everything
that mixed together, like
mix together.
make sure they cook the speed, the piece pretty even. You know?
Yes,
And then
yes.
not stick to your bottom and take time for you, you know? Cook
Yeah, yes.
to the right spot.
Some good yellow yummy. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Yes. See it there, guys? You can get some good yellow right here. Look at that. Hmm? So this is our food, you peel this one now.
This is for the soup.
The soup? Okay. Okay, guys.
Like that.
John, come on around here. Go on. Cutting up smaller pieces, yeah?
Let's say let's get the flour ready right now.
Yeah.
For the fried chicken.
You get it nice and powdery, that's what you know.
Yeah.
On your chicken.
Yeah.
Well fluffy.
Yes. What is that, chef? These chicken seasoned from
About 2 days old.
2 days now.
Yeah.
Well marinated.
Well marinated.
Seasoned them well marinated in it, eh?
Ali.
Yeah, man. Look at that, guys.
Yeah, Dennis. You want? Okay. All right, I'm gonna
They're them nice and fluffy.
Yes. Look at that. Look at that, guys. We're doing some fried chicken now. Yes, guys. Ready to go in the fryer?
Yeah, right on to the fryer, you know?
Yes.
Now you got to keep them nice and fluffy. Don't full it up too much, so you have no space.
Yes. So
So you get a good fry.
so how long this fry for now? How long you fry
Like
for?
20 to 25 minutes.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, man, the final now. Ready to serve, you know?
Yeah.
For a chicken.
Look at that, guys. Look at that.
Rice and peas in tack also.
Yes.
Still have the boiled dumpling now. Still have the banana them also. Don't forget. True chicken.
Stew chicken ready. Look at that, guys.
It's
Yes.
a rich quality stew chicken, eh?
Man. Where you say? Spotlight.
Spotlight, where everything tastes right.
Alright. Look at that, guys. Yeah, man. Stew chicken. What they call it? Fricassee?
Alright.
So you actually cook for morning.
Yeah.
Spotlight special, yeah?
Yeah.
Nowhere else in Canada than the one.
So, what is we know? Where people don't know.
Some green plant we are make some plantain tarts with, you know?
Crushed green plant.
Crushed green plant, original from yard style.
Yard style.
Yeah, man, yard
Crushed
style
green
plant.
plant.
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
We start with
What's
Saturday
the-
morning breakfast.
Yeah. And the people them order this.
The people's choice.
What you say, chef?
Yeah, man, that's the people's choice.
Yeah.
Planting there Saturday morning.
Yes.
That way, crushed green plant and
Yes.
porridge.
Oh. As you guys can see, we're there in the kitchen from in the morning. I show you how them prepare the breakfast And now we're up on the lunch section. Yeah, the lunch section. So, I'll show you. Yo, see there? And him does a drinking tea. He does a drinking tea.
Morning rise outside.
Yes, my
Preparing all the good stuff for you guys, okay?
Yes. So guys, you where is the chef? What you say? What you say?
I don't know, I said, should walk my 100, man.
Yeah, alright.
Every day over there, no?
Every day.
Sunday.
Except Sundays. Alright.
Every
Every day them cooking, guys. So when you see them prepare them food and cook every day. Every day they cook fresh food, so you not get no leftover food or overnight food. You know? Cause from me coming in the morning, the chef them work, them make them breakfast, so right now them there on them lunch special right now. Where is the chef?
Yeah, man, I'm getting ready for lunch.
Ready for lunch right now.
Right now.
Alright guys, you see?
Eat much of this
So there guys, oxtail ready, you know?
Use the next one.
The meat to fall off the bone. There's a meat to fall off the bone, chef.
As a Jamaican, oxtail they must have a little touch of what?
Butter bean.
Alright.
You want beef?
Yeah, man. Yes, guys, so you have to add the butter bean when you're cooking your oxtail. Look at that. The meat just a fall off the bone right now.
Tender.
And tender. And the flavor will come off for that there. The scent, the aroma will come off for the oxtail. You know, it's the real thing, you know? Look at that, guys.
Curry chicken, yeah? Ready for lunch.
Mm.
Yeah, man.
Guys,
Curry chicken, yeah? Ready for lunch.
they're ready to serve.
Ready to serve. Ready.
Alright.
I'm out.
You can't come in the kitchen and see them cook up all of these amazing breakfasts. When last you ever try salt mackerel rundown with some dumpling and some green banana and piece of yam? Alright,
Authentic Jamaican food.
yes. Yes guys, you see, you know when me try my food, me have to be in the kitchen with the chef them. I try the food. When last you ever try salt mackerel rundown? Well, right now I'm gonna try it and tell you guys how it tastes. And you guys need to come down here. Yes, you need to come down here if you want to get your breakfast. Have to come down here if you want to get your breakfast. Yeah, man. So, right now, yeah, I'm gonna try it out. So, here, guys, give a dumpling. Mmm. Oh, God. See it there, guys. Look there, guys. See it there. The yellow yam. Man. Remember, you know, me there in the kitchen with the chef them up and down and cook same way. And breakfast, yeah. Man. With the coconut milk. Guys, you need to come down here, come try this. We're talking about the salt mackerel rundown. Chef, coconut milk, just stand up in that. And the season. Look there, guys, look at this. Look at this. Gosh. Flavor. Flavor real good, guys. So, guys, the food tastes amazing right now. See it there? Good yellow yam. As I was saying, it's not a restaurant, it's a kitchen. So you get nothing but the greatness from yourself. Salt mackerel rundown with the dumpling. Oh gosh. Chef, up. Food turn up, man. The food nice. See it here? My one eye chef, now come on, here, chef. And people them see what I go and talk. I'm not joking, man. I'm not hide. I say it, I tell you right now, yes. Real good.
That's it.
Yeah, man. Guys, look at this. You can taste all the flavor, all the seasoning, what they have in it. The coconut milk, everything. And then you can taste that little bit of heat to it, the spice. Good flavor, real good flavor. Yes, this dish is one of Jamaican original authentic dish. salt mackerel rundown. Yes, with some coconut milk and all of these kind of flavor, all these seasoning put together. You know? Guys, when you eat that, you have to have your dumpling, you have to have a green banana, you have to have a piece of yam. Oh gosh. You know what? I'll go and enjoy it. I'll check him back in a bit. Alright. Good. Guys, me not telling a lie. The food, amazing. Right? Look at this. Look. Finish. I'll show you how the food tastes so good, guys. Yeah, man. Really amazing. Green plantain ready. Yeah. One crush. So long in paper.
Just a couple of minutes just to get them change of color.
Yes.
And then change to a fry. So you have to pick them out, put them all out and then crush them. Never see the whole sauce.
Alright.
Yeah.
Shoot out in my pot. Alright, sir. If.
So then change to a nice goldish color. Right?
Yeah.
Ready to get some pressure now.
You see, add some onion in there. That what? Just get that flavor.
Yeah, that type of flavor. Now, before we put this in, we touch a little salt, right?
A little bit of salt. Okay.
Get it going from there.
Yes.
Up. Kitchen hot, huh?
Wait a second. Golden brown.
Yeah, so we need
Fried chicken in my cookie, man. Golden brown just come out the fryer, guys. Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, man. Chef, I look for some wings, you know? Fry wings.
Deep fry wing.
Yes, guys. Look at that.
Juicy.
Yeah, man. Jerk chicken. So you say I glaze it right now.
Yeah, man.
With some sauce. Look at that, guys.
So I said drip off a mud corner.
I say it's a drip off of mud corner. Yeah, man. So you say, chef, what are you about now?
Salmon.
Some salmon. Yeah. They say this will drop them in the oven.
Bake them quick and fast.
Okay.
Chew it in the oven for like 20 minutes.
Yes.
Bake them quick and fast, eh?
Okay.
Ready for lunch, eh?
Yes.
Then get some salmon with some steamed veg also.
Yeah, some salmon with some steamed veg.
Some salmon with some rice and peas for lunch. It's your choice. It's up to you. It's your
Yeah.
choice.
Yes.
A lot of wonderful stuff here, you know?
Yes. Alright.
So we have ripe and we have green.
I agree.
Both of them we are working, yeah?
Alright.
Yeah.
See there, right? Where's the rice and peas ready?
I eat that one. See there? I'm going like that.
Yes.
I'm fully ready. See what I'm going on? See you look.
Stir it up.
Yeah,
Yes.
get them stirred so you get
Yes.
everyone so them cook.
Yes.
Nice and fluffy.
Nice and fluffy, yes.
Get them fluffy. Put the pepper, nobody get no.
No, nobody, you know, mix with the pepper, nobody can mistake and get the pepper and
I'll
eat
buy
it.
that, yeah,
Don't buy it. But the pepper give it a flavor, right?
Yeah, too, but you know, everybody wants it.
Yes.
So you understand, say, I have to cook for more than one set of people. Some people spice it up, some people not too spicy.
Yes.
Yeah, some people yeah, spice it very low.
Yes. So you say by 8 o'clock today, this rice and peas finished?
No, this guy.
Huh?
Gone about to do lift up.
Sorry.
Now people just come for rice and peas and you want.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's how nice it is. Huh?
People coming for lunch, ready.
Ready. Yes.
Almost get stuff.
Yes. Yeah. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Say jerk chicken ready. So yes, yes, chef.
Golden brown plantain. See?
Right planting.
Right plantain.
Alright.
So the fried chicken.
Yes.
What we do is you have barbie, you have fried, dry fry, or barbie fry. When it's barbie fry, you just dip it in the sauce.
And it's
that's
good.
It. And it's good. It's barbie. It's
We call it barbie fry. Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. So these are the green plantain that you fry.
Yeah.
See that, guys? Yeah.
Fried and crushed with golden green plantain.
Green plantain.
Yeah.
What you say, people love it?
But the specialty, this is one of the specialty. You have a lot of love in it from Jamaica, straight up.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ready to serve.
Ready to serve. How we have here, so chef?
Curry goat.
Curry goat. Ah. So you said, chef, what you make here now?
We have some steamed veg I prepare right now.
Okay.
If you are vegetarian, then you can come through. Also on the lunchtime, you can get a large lunch of salmon with some steamed veg. You don't have to do meat if you don't want to. It all depends.
Yeah. So we already have in your sauce
We have some carrot, we have some sweet pepper, we have some red onion, we have some garlic, some some blend garlic, which is marinated together.
Yeah.
Right about now we're adding some cabbage.
Okay.
Yeah. Steamed veg.
Steam veg, so if you know
Ital man them.
all the ital.
Yes, sir.
That is it.
Consider it, you know, we have everybody in mind, you know.
That's it.
The good,
You
the
have to
bad,
cater,
and the-
yeah, you have to cater for everyone, you know. Oh, you're gonna just add in some more carrot to it. Alright. See that, guys? Add some more bell pepper and some
Mixed veg also.
mixed veg.
Yeah, you can steam it.
Aha. Nice.
Shake up the natty, you know. Keep it vibrant.
Yes. Yes.
One love for each and everybody.
Just we're still upon the tribe, you know.
It's still up on the tribe.
Yes, the tribe can take a longer for cook.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, so we're still there on it, you know, finish it.
Yeah.
Touch down. Rice and peas finish. Manish water finish now. As you're here and so when we start,
Yes.
and we start everything from scratch. Manish water, yeah.
Look at that, guys. Yes. Yeah. Look at that, guys. Yeah, man. So manish water ready now.
Ready.
Alright. Yeah.
And then we have a steamed veg.
Steam is going right here, so yeah.
Cabbage, carrot, broccoli, colored onion, mixed veg, you know?
Yes.
So if you're a vegetarian, you can probably use olive oil in it.
Yes.
So if you're a vegetarian, you can
Okay.
no meat, no veggie oil,
Yes.
olive oil. We do a variety of stuff.
We do a varieties of stuff.
Yes, we do breakfast, ackee and saltfish, callaloo, salt mackerel rundown. And Saturday we specialize in the rundown and fritters and fried plantain. As you see,
Yes.
you will see all those stuff. So we do all of those.
Oh,
So
okay.
we try do breakfast out. Then now we work on lunch, and now we just done lunch. We're gonna come up with some fried fish. So if you need fried fish for your Christmas, just place your order from now.
Yes.
We have salmon, we have kingfish, we have snapper, and we have shrimp. So you can place your order from now
Okay.
for the Christmas.
You guys will skip the dishes though and
We do skip the dish, DoorDash,
Uber
and
Eat.
Uber Eats.
Oh,
We do
okay.
all three. We turn on from 11 to 8 o'clock.
So you guys open from
From 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock.
in the night.
8 a.m. to 9 p.m.
Oh, okay.
So you can place your order.
Yes.
Time already, and we do Christmas catering, so you can start place your order for now for Christmas catering.
Oh, okay.
Okay, and you know our food is fresh.
Yes.
and
Cook
it
every
is
day.
Every day, and cook with lots of love.
So as we are saying, this is not a restaurant. This is a kitchen.
This is a Kitchen, Spotlight Caribbean Kitchen.
And where it located again?
130 Queens Plate Drive, unit number 3, right off Highway 7 and Rexdale.
Yes.
Etobicoke.
Right across from the racetrack.
Yeah, and the Comfort Hotel. We're there between the Comfort Hotel and Woodbine Hotel. So
Okay.
you find us right in that plaza.
Okay.
And you see a Tim Hortons.
Yes. You can't miss it.
And if you find say lost, just call 416-740-7406. And we're here to serve you with love.
That's it. And one more question. For all the viewers out there watching all of these amazing food, what you want to tell them to do?
Just come and visit us and enjoy food.
Yes.
Dine in.
Yes.
And we will serve you with love and treat you like a family.
That's it.
Once you come to Spotlight, we love you.
All
And
right.
we treat you like family. And all the customers who support me all these years, we love you. Just remember Spotlight. And just ask for Janet or any one of the workers. Okay? Enough love. God bless.
That's it. Nice.
If you don't eat meat, you can eat this. It eat with rice. It eat with anything. Once you don't eat meat, so we cater for all the vegetarian too. And we
Okay.
cater for everyone.
Look at that, guys. So right now, we have the Barbie Fry chicken wing here, so. And you have the dry chicken wing right here, so. Dry fry chicken wing. And then we have the fried chicken here. And then we have the jerk chicken. And I don't know, say jerk chicken have its sauce on it, guys, so. You know, so I have to try it to let you guys know how it tastes. Yes, guys, so right now, I'm gonna try the fried chicken. Yes, I'm gonna try the fried chicken. See it here, guys. Yeah, man. Yo. Chef. Man, chicken nice, man. Yeah, some flavor. Yeah, man, chicken nice, man.
Full of flavor.
Full of flavor. Look here, guys. Man. I've been showing you guys, I'm always in the kitchen eating around the chef them while the chef them cooking. Yeah. Yep. Yep. So now, try a piece of the Barbie fried chicken. See, yeah? So Barbie fry is just the fried chicken mixed into the sauce.
Yeah, right in the sauce.
Right into the sauce. See there, guys? So this is the fried chicken that mixed with the sauce. Call it Barbie fried chicken. Yeah. Just good, man. Nice flavor. That is it, chef. That is it. I don't know none of the jerk chicken. Look at it, guys. Look at this. Well juicy. Yeah. Look here. Look here. Look here, guys. Yo, chef.
Yo.
Jerk chicken this.
Quality.
Not dry.
Moist.
Moist. You know when you eat some jerk chicken in giant, you want water right away?
Oh.
No, you don't need none for this. Right.
You have enough juice around out. Got it.
Guys, nice. The seasoning is right. You know, the texture is not dry.
You didn't know you're
Up,
customized.
up. Tastes good, guys. Tastes good. So, I'm gonna go and enjoy the rest of the food, and I'll check in back with you guys later. Yeah.
You have to let them know.
Where is it? Some kingfish. Yeah. Slice.
Right.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Yes, chef.
This is for the salmon. Sauce for the salmon.
Oh, so I make sauce with the salmon right now. What kind of sauce is? What do you call this?
for some mango sauce.
So what kind of sauce?
Carrot mango sauce.
Carrot mango sauce. You hear that, guys? That is it.
Salmon is ready to serve.
Ready to serve.
Lunch. Bon appetit.
Ah,
So you roll your rice side. Roll your rice.
yeah.
Yeah, come try your mango sauce and tell me what it tastes like.
Mango sauce. Look at that, guys. Rich and nice. They say flavor up.
Quality. Active.
Ah, look at that, guys. Mango sauce. Blending with the salmon. So when you try that salmon, you just get that mango flavor to it. Oh. Yes. Top it off with some parsley. That is it, guys. Have to come down here and try it, you know. Yeah, man, you have to come down here and try it, yes.
Ready, ready, ready. Come get your salmon right here. Spotlight of your salmon. Mango salmon.
Yes. That is it. Yeah, man. Golden brown.
I'm here golden brown.
There.
Not too dry.
Yeah. What do you say?
Golden brown.
Golden brown. Ready?
Yeah, really nice.
Ah, look at that, guys. Fried fish.
We don't dry them out too much.
Yeah, still moist.
Still moist. Still,
Yeah.
still have a beautiful golden brown. Huh?
Yes, yes.
A lot of people don't understand that, so they eat fish.
You don't over fry, you
You
don't
don't
burn
over
it.
fry, you don't under fry. Keep it at a level. Yeah? Nice and mild.
Yes. It's a golden brown.
Golden brown.
Look there, guys. So right now, they finished one batch of oxtail this morning and them have put on the next batch of oxtail. Because them say oxtail is one of their #1 seller.
Yeah, this go.
Right? So, oh gosh, oxtail season up from when? 2 days ago. 2 days ago? Look there, guys. Look there. Look there, guys. The oxtail season up from 3 days ago, you know, guys. Alright, now they will put on the next batch of oxtail. And the oxtail going so fast. The one that they put out this morning almost finished. Yeah. Yes. Alright. See how it's setting. This is some escovitch. So, what you say, this is one order where a person just order?
Yeah, so once to order.
Yeah, order just come in and you just see there, guys.
Instant.
Yes.
Like 4.5 again like that.
Yes.
One there, hear the phone? Yeah, there's another order coming right there.
Alright, guys.
So we are all day.
Yeah, man, see? This is the order just coming right here, so guys, and look at this. Man. So get you ready if you go out there.
Ready to go.
Yes. That is it, guys. See? Just call and make your order. Get ready to go.
Ready to go.
Ready to go. Yes. That is it. Talk to me, chef. I look like say, you're tired. You're tired.
When?
Eh? I will store the oxtail there.
If you have Trent in a body, we store your whole cow here, you know.
Yeah.
That's why we have the real juice now there.
Aye.
The Irish mash juice there.
Yeah.
In a buckle there.
Here with who?
Uncle G.
Uncle G.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So you say he's a regular customer here.
Yeah, family go up in there, so me eat nowhere else.
Yeah.
The food because they know what I want. Doesn't me come the food ready. And when here finna ready, they start to make it for me. So I'm gonna go to another restaurant. You know, I have that privilege. We have the privilege here.
Here.
And yeah, so me rest with it.
So what you think about the food?
Good.
Good.
Because if it wasn't good, I would not be coming here for what?
Exactly.
Almost how many years? So it's open until now.
Yes.
Yeah.
Here, where you order? Where you main food where you order here, so?
They mostly have food man, organic food man. So I don't want to specify the other things.
Yes.
Then we have organic man, but they know my food. So you know, yam, banana, you know, etc. Dumpling, etc.
Okay.
Porridge, etc. All the good stuff. I ask them to come for it. Not gonna wear it.
So you say anybody out there watch it, then what you want to tell who over there
Come
watch
straight to
it?
Spotlight. You come at Spotlight, you get anything you want. And the respect, yes sir. It's a family, yes sir. Try to deal with it like family.
Yes.
So yes, I'm coming over here and realize that I don't get the treatment that I want.
Okay.
You want good food? Just come to Spotlight and see General. Food ready for you.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so, you know, have a support. Support. That's why me always come here. I'm not gonna raise my daughter, you know, my
Yes.
children. Yes, they meet.
All
You see
right.
my daughter come here, so the food I feel good. I don't want Janet food.
All right.
Yeah,
So
man.
you say at Spotlight Caribbean Kitchen.
The Spotlight Caribbean Kitchen, man. Last week we did a party or so.
Yes.
And enjoy myself too. Hours a night, everybody go down with the see until most of the people gone.
All right.
So if you come to Spotlight, if you want to have a good meal and a family thing, come here, sir.
Yes. All right. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, my guy.
Yeah, man. So you see, guys, it's a regular customer. Come here. Been coming here from the restaurant open and still here, enjoying it. All right. Bless up.
Peace up, my friend.
Yeah.
All right, thanks.
Thank you. Thank you all Spotlight supporter, and thank you for watching this video, and thank you for supporting. May God bless you all. All who don't come to Spotlight, please come now, and you will enjoy the food.
Yes.
See, thanks to you, the viewers, for looking and watching and liking, sharing, comment. Please come to Spotlight anytime, any day. The food is great.
Yes.
Magnificent Jamaican style. Wow.
Ah.
My turn. It's a come to Spotlight where the food always tastes right. You understand? Just
it.
always tastes right. So check it. Come get it.
All right. That is it.
Yeah, man, pleasant greeting to one and all. This is Spotlight, and we are here to please each and everyone. Blessings from our heart. See you guys outside in the line, okay?
All right, guys. It was a pleasure to come here and showcase this wonderful restaurant and showing you guys some of the amazing breakfast. We talk about what? Salt mackerel rundown,
Ackee and saltfish.
ackee and saltfish,
Fresh callaloo.
fresh callaloo.
Fresh okra and saltfish. You know, we have the liver, we have the kidney also.
Guys, where can you go in the morning?
Fried dumpling, breadfruit. Oh God,
Oh gosh. Guys, where can you go at a restaurant and find all of these amazing food? One day, in one day, you can get all of it. You need to come at Spotlight Kitchen. Yes, come and check it out, because trust me, guys, you won't be disappointed. Because this morning, you see when I tried the salt mackerel rundown, A1. Yeah, right now, guys, this is the closing of the video. Yeah, I want you all to come down here and come support. Yeah, man, come support and come check it out and come try the food. And when you come and try it, leave it in the comment and tell me what you guys think. Yes, thanks for watching. Remember, like, share and subscribe. God bless. See you in the next video.